What up, you fucking bastards?
Hi.
This is my little brother Malik. Say hi.
Hi. Like this? Like that.
Say
Sorry.
something.
Punch me in the face. I dare you.
Say it again.
Punch me in the face. I dare you.
Tell Josh you peed in that. Say I peed in that.
I peed in that.
I love you, Malik.
Love you.
Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for all the support. You guys fucking, yes, you guys are faggots for watching this shit. I lightweight hate all you because you're the reason why I keep doing it. Shout out to big shout out to my nigga Josh. Shout out to Quan, Stranger Danger, Najee. Follow her on Twitter. It's Mirage Danger, some other shit like that. Shout out to Austin, Veronica, Jen Dibble. She's tiny as fuck. Shout out to Rusty, his fat ass. Shout out to Sean, Alexander Johnson, Tyler, Larry, Mazda, Rex, Alex. Big shout out to Logan Updike. He's finally fucking with me. I'm making me a beat, fucking bastard. Shout out to Tyler Adolphin. Shout out to my 5th period with class.